The moral story is about the potato, the egg, and the coffee beans. A boy named John was upset. His father found him crying. When his father asked John why he was crying, he said he had a lot of problems in his life. His father simply smiled and asked him to get a potato, an egg, and some coffee beans. He placed them in 3 bowls. He then asked John to feel their texture and then fill each bowl with water. John did as he had been told. His father then boiled all 3 bowls. Once the bowls has cooled down, John's father asked him to feel the texture of the different food items again. John noticed that the potato had become soft and its skin was peeling off easily. The egg had become harder and tougher. The coffee beans had completely changed and filled the bowl of water with aroma and flavor. The moral of the story is life will always have problems and pressures, like the boiling water in the story. It's how you respond and react to these problems that counts the most. Until next story, take care and bye bye.